Hey guys, what's happening? How to get the fastest NBN speeds for home internet. First of all, choose the right NBN plan, right? Go for the NBN 100 or NBN 250 or 1000 if available, and check for connection type, right? FTTP and HFC offer the best speeds. FTTN may need upgrading, right? And make sure to check or use a high quality router. Get a Wi-Fi 6 router for faster performance, right? Just type Wi-Fi 6, right? And you're gonna see the results on Amazon, for example, right? Connect via internet, right? Wired connections are always faster than Wi-Fi. And optimize your Wi-Fi. Place the router centrally. Avoid interference and use 5G hertz band, right? Limit the background usage. Stop unnecessary downloads or stop unnecessary downloads and updates during peak hours, and contact your ISP. Ensure your plan isn't throttled and ask about network congestion, right? Now, enjoy lightning fast NBN speeds. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will catch you in the next time.